Hi, Jonathan Pickup. I was helping a client the other day with this fence, but now they'd like to change the color of the rails and the posts. So the way to change this is, first of all, I need to edit the style. Now this is the style for the rails. Each rail is separately controlled for the texture. So let's have a look here. I wanted to use a metal stainless galvanized. Now that's only changed one rail, so I have to do the other rail as well. There we are. What I need to look at is my posts. Now I can't change these posts at the moment, so I need to go back to my fence, go back to my fence style. I'm going to edit the 3D component, so the stainless steel. So right click, edit 3D component. There it is. So I need to change that. Metal iron cast, I think it was that one there. So let's choose that one. And that's for both the post and the footing. So now when I exit my symbol, my post and my fence are all up to date. Hey, thanks for watching to the very end. I hope you enjoyed that movie. If you really did enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for that. But also, this is just a shortened movie of the big extended movie I made for my members on the YouTube channel. So, if you're a member, don't forget to go watch that one.